The Norwegian krone has seen a notable increase in recent trading sessions, driven by a surge in European energy prices. Norway, as a major natural gas exporter, is benefiting from the ongoing energy shock. Analysts at Commerzbank have highlighted that high natural gas prices are directly boosting Norway's export revenues and improving its fiscal position. This has led to a stronger current account surplus, which in turn supports the krone's valuation. The correlation between the krone and gas prices has become more pronounced in recent months, as European benchmark gas prices remain elevated due to ongoing supply concerns and geopolitical tensions. Norway's position as a key supplier of natural gas to Europe means it stands to gain disproportionately from the current energy crisis. Commerzbank strategists have pointed out that the krone has outperformed many of its G10 peers in recent weeks, gaining ground against both the euro and the US dollar. This trend marks a reversal from earlier weakness seen in the currency earlier in the year. The Norwegian krone's resilience is also being supported by the monetary policy stance of Norgesbank, the country's central bank. With inflation above target and the economy operating near full capacity, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The bank has maintained a hawkish approach. Market participants are now pricing in further rate hikes, which increases the appeal of Norwegian assets in terms of yield. This combination of a strong current account and a relatively high interest rate environment is creating a favorable backdrop for the Norwegian krone. The central bank's policy decisions are playing a role in the krone's recent strength. As inflation remains elevated, the bank has signaled a willingness to act aggressively to bring it back to target. This has led to increased expectations of further rate hikes in the coming months, which could provide additional support to the krone. Commerzbank's analysis suggests that as long as energy prices remain high, the krone will continue to benefit from structural demand. The currency's performance is closely tied to Norway's export revenues, and with energy prices remaining elevated, this dynamic is likely to persist. The next key signal to watch is the evolution of European energy prices and the potential for a policy shift by Norgesbank. If energy prices stabilize or decline, the krone could face downward pressure. Conversely, if energy prices continue to rise and the central bank maintains or increases its tightening stance, the krone could see further gains. The interplay between energy market conditions and central bank policy will be crucial in determining the krone's trajectory in the coming months. Investors should closely monitor both the energy market and Norgesbank's policy signals for further clarity on the krone's direction. The Norwegian krone's recent performance reflects the broader economic and geopolitical dynamics at play in the energy sector. As long as these factors remain in place, the krone is likely to remain in a favorable position relative to other G10 currencies. The stakes are clear. Norway's economic health is closely. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Linked to the global energy market, and the krone's strength is a direct reflection of that. The mechanism driving this is straightforward. Higher energy prices mean higher export revenues, which in turn support the currency. Meanwhile, the central bank's actions are reinforcing this trend by maintaining a high-yield environment that attracts foreign capital. The next key signals will be whether energy prices continue to rise or begin to plateau, and whether Norgesbank follows through with additional rate hikes. These factors will determine whether the krone's current upward momentum can be sustained or if it faces headwinds in the near future.